All right, forest fanatics, Bigfoot here. Welcome to my first ever foraging adventure.
Ooh, what's this beauty? Looks potent. Only one way to find out. Ah, a classic forest proto.
Humans littering again, and with this. What even is sour cream and onion? My moss smoothie is better.
Whoops, misjudged that root. Earthy, yes, but a bit too mineral for my palate. Don't try this at home.
And there you have it, today's bountiful harvest. Eat your heart out, Gordon Ramsay. See you next time, forest friends.